Hello everyone, welcome to this WP Ultimate CSV Importer tutorial for how to import translated post data into WordPress multilingual website created using Polylang plugin. So without any delay, let's start the video. Here I have created my website in 4 languages. Before we import, let's see how to prepare a proper CSV file. I have prepared all my post data in Google Sheets. I have 3 records that are in different languages. You can add fields like post title, post content, post excerpt, post date, post slug, post name, post author, post status, featured image, and post format. The other 2 main fields you need to include in your file preparation are language code and translated post title field. In language code field, provide the language code of the post. The first post is in English language, so I mentioned the language code for it as EN. Second post is in Arabic language, so I have given the language code as AR. And for my third French post, I have given F4 as my language code. In translated post title, mention the default post title value in all translated posts from which you translate this post in other language. Now let's start to upload the file in Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. You can upload from different locations. I'm going to upload from external URL, that is from Google Sheets. So I'm going to generate the URL as publicly accessible URL. Copy this URL. Paste it inside here. Click on continue. Choose the post type from import each record as drop down. I'm choosing post. Click continue. Now map the CSV header with appropriate WordPress fields. You can see that some fields are auto-mapped if your CSV and WP fields has same values. You can also modify the mapped fields by choosing the drop-down and select any field. Here in the Polylang settings field, make sure to map the language code and translated post title field. After mapping, click on continue. Use this media handling section if you included any external URL inside your post CSV. Click on continue. Click import to import all your data into WordPress. Wait for the import to process. Once completed, click on view log button. You can see all posts are imported and you can verify it either in web view and admin view. So now let's check all the imported post data in admin view. You can see the first post is imported in English language. Let's check out the second post. It's imported in Arabic language. Let's see that post. It's successfully imported in French language. You can also verify the added fields like featured image. So this is how you import translated post data into your WordPress multilingual website created using Polylang plugin with our WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Thank you for watching.